It's a Sonic Brain Break Party! 20 minutes of action-packed hedgehog fun! Can you make it to the end? Let's start things off with Sonic Chase! It's time to save the city! It's Sonic Chase! Can you save the city?
I got this!
Dr. Eggman has taken over the city, and Sonic needs your help. Complete all 3 levels to save the day. Good luck! For level 1, you need to run through the city and dodge all of the obstacles. Collect the coins to power up Sonic and smash the Chaos Emeralds for Sonic speed. You can do it.
Let's do this! Woohoo!
Oh no! Watch out!
No! Nailed it!
Awesome job! Pick a Chaos Emerald and see what treats you get. Choose either blue or red. Dr. Eggman has caused water breaks all over the city. Run and freeze when you see the water break. Copy the pose to fix it. You can do it.
Let's do this! Oh yeah! Here we go!
Great work! Pick another Chaos Emerald and see what treat you get. Choose either blue or red. Oh no! Dr. Eggman has stolen Tails and taken him to the frozen tundra. Run and dodge all of the obstacles. Continue to collect the coins and smash the Chaos Emeralds to help save Tails. You can do it.
I got this! Here we go!
It's Tails! And there's Dr. Eggman!
Oh man!
Get ready to dodge his attacks! Watch out! Smash the Chaos Emerald! Copy the dance to recharge.
I got this one.
It's the Gold Chaos Emerald. Throw it at Dr. Eggman. Sonic and all his friends want to compete in some jump battles. Have fun. It's time for Sonic Jump Battles. Pick a side. Jump the blocks to power your player. The first player to reach the top wins. Get ready for match number 1. It's Shadow versus Tails. Pick a side and get ready to jump. Copy that Sonic pose to recharge. Let's jump. Congratulations, Tails! Get ready for match number 2. It's Sonic versus Knuckles. Pick a side and get ready to jump. Copy that Sonic pose to recharge. Let's jump. Congratulations, Sonic! Get ready for match number 3. It's Dr. Eggman versus Amy. Get ready to jump. Copy that Sonic pose to recharge. Let's finish this thing. Congratulations, Amy! Sonic needs your help finding the Chaos Emeralds in the Sonic Spot It. It's a Sonic Spot It. Can you find the red Chaos Emerald? There's a red Chaos Emerald hiding in the pictures, and Sonic needs your help finding it. You have 10 seconds to inspect the image. Copy the dance that goes with where you think it is. It gets harder as we go, and each question's worth 1 point. Good luck. Was it next to the yellow flower or next to the coin? Was it next to the waterfall or next to the palm tree? Was it next to the palm tree, or did Sonic have it? Was it next to the waterfall or next to the coin? Was it on top of the umbrella or on the star? Was it on Sonic or on the red mushroom? Was it in the rose bush or on the coin? Bonus time, worth 3 points. How many Chaos Emeralds can you find in the image? You have 15 seconds to count and then copy the Sonic pose to make your pick. Good luck. Were there 5, 7, or 10? Copy the pose to make your pick. It's the grand finale, Sonic versus Shadow. Pick a player to run with. Collect the coins to power your player. The first player to reach the top wins. Get ready to dodge all the obstacles and collect the coins. May the best man win. Watch out for Eggman!
Finally decided to show up, eh?
I'm not going anywhere. Let's do this! Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Who's next? Search Coach Corey Martin for even more brain break fun. Thanks for playing. All right, you can have a seat now. Thanks for playing.